Tired of Tableau dashboards that feel more like reports than engaging experiences? Let's transform those static visuals into interactive powerhouses that drive insights and decisions. First, we'll add quick filters, dragging dimensions like region and category to the filters shelf. Show these filters on the dashboard to let users instantly slice and dice the data. Next, we'll graduate to global filters for consistent control across multiple sheets. Right-click a filter, select Apply to Worksheets, then choose All using this data source for universal impact. Time for parameters. These are dynamic variables that allow users to input values. Create a parameter for sales target and then a calculated field that compares actual sales to this target. Display the parameter control on your dashboard so users can adjust the target and see the results in real time. Good dashboard design prioritizes the user, so arrange your filters and parameters logically. Use clear labels and tooltips. Group related elements together and ensure a clean, uncluttered interface that guides users through the data story effortlessly. This makes the dashboard more intuitive and provides a better user experience. Finally, optimize your dashboard's performance by minimizing the number of data connections, hiding unused fields, and using extracts. Use Tableau's performance recorder to pinpoint bottlenecks and ensure a smooth, responsive experience for your users, making sure they are exploring the data as fast as possible.